day and evening.
Okay.
Someone is $128 million richer, or 64 after cash. Today, a law firm claiming to represent the person who bought the winning ticket at this pro-travel marathon in Georgetown called the Lottery Corporation. At some point, that law firm will have to present that ticket for a secret smell test.
And this consists of information that is physically printed on the ticket that we intentionally do not release publicly, that helps us to determine whether or not this could well be the winning ticket.
Polston says the evidence so far points to jackpot. And so far, the winner is anonymous, by choice. And Polston won't even release the name or location of the firm at its request. But the lucky guy or gal won't have a secret identity forever.
If we were served with an open records request by anyone, we would have to release the information that we did have available.
Polston says in the lottery's debriefing program, they always tell winners to invest a bit of their jackpot in a new phone number.
A lot of people, they look at you kind of funny and say, well, I've had that phone number for 20 years. Why would I want to change my home phone number? And we tell them that every real estate agent, car salesman, and securities broker in an 8-state area is about to try to become your best friend.